Go up here on this cool looking bulldozer that my neighbor's got on there. He must have cleared out some of his land or whatever, so he's got this big bulldozer pulled up here. I thought this was pretty cool. I guess it's an excavator. So pretty cool. And of course it's a John Deere. There you go. You gotta have a John Deere around here. Of course my pa, he had a Case, or a International actually. I think it's Case International now, but he had an old red International tractor, so that's what I usually prefer. But John Deere will do the trick. I just thought this thing looked pretty cool. I figured I'd get a video of it and let y'all check it out. Pretty neat. He was clearing out some of his land way back there in the field, I guess. Pretty cool. Just to check it out. My little boy, he got to climb around on it, so he was excited the other day. Pretty cool. Guess that'll be it for my video. Just figured I'd show this off while I was sitting here. Until next time, have a good one. See ya.